Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome to my channel. This is Pal Chakraborty, and here I'm presenting a bombshell glam look for you people. I've previously moisturized my face, and now I'll be using a primer which is from Swiss Beauty. After applying the primer, I'll wait for 5 minutes to let it absorb into my skin. Here I'm brushing my eyebrows, and I'll be using Music Power Brown Pomade to draw my eyebrows with an angular brush from Zoeva brushes. For this kind of a look, make sure that your brows are on point. Next, I'll be using an orange concealer from Kryolan Cosmetics to hide my dark circles and any dark spots on my face. I'll be blending this concealer with a wet beauty sponge. Next, I'll be using PAC HD foundation in the shade 1.6. I'll apply it with fingertips on my face and blend it with a flat brush from Zoeva brushes. Do not forget to apply your foundation on your neck area. After blending it with a brush, I'll be using a wet sponge to blend the product into my skin. Next, here I'm using Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer on the highest points of my face to conceal and highlight. I'm blending the concealer with the wet sponge that I've used previously. Next, I'm using Miss Clear Light Banana Powder to bake under my eyes and set my foundation and concealer. I'm using a powder brush from Zoeva brushes. Next, here I'm using Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette to contour my face. I'm contouring with Zoeva contour brush. Here I am using You Can Be Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette, and I'm taking a blusher color from there, and I'm using Zoeva blusher brush. Next, I'll be highlighting my face with Makeup Revolution Pro highlighter in the shade Champagne, and I'm using a fan brush from Zoeva brushes. I just love this highlighter and the effect it gives on my face. It blends like a dream and gives a beautiful glow onto my face. Next, coming to the eyes, I'll be using You Can Be Pretty All Set eyeshadow palette and taking these two shades as my transition color. I'm applying both the shades into my crease line with Zoeva eyeshadow blending brush. Next, I'm taking this highlighter shade and applying it with an angular brush from Zoeva brushes. I'm highlighting my brow bone area over here. I'm taking two burgundy shades and applying the same onto my eye area with an eyeshadow blending brush which is more dense. A dense eyeshadow brush will ensure more pigmentation. But make sure you blend it really well so that it gives a seamless effect on your eyes. Next, I'm taking these two dark brown shades and applying it on the outer corner of my eye area to give it more depth. I'm applying the shade with a tapping motion so that maximum pigmentation is ensured. But do not forget to blend the colors into each other. Next, I'm taking this rose gold shimmery shade and applying it with a flat Zoeva brush. The colors in this palette gives a very beautiful pigmentation. Make sure you blend the shimmery shades with the matte colors to give a beautiful effect on your eyes. Here I am using my fingers to intensify the pigment. Next, I am taking both the brown shades to blend the colors again into my eye. I am reapplying the highlighter shade from the same palette into my inner corner with the same angular brush that I have used previously. Next, I have taken a pencil brush and applying the darker brown shade onto my lower lash line. I'm again blending both the colors with the lighter brown shade. I'm dusting off the excess powder that I have used for baking. Next, it's time for eyeliner, and I'm taking Hilary Rhoda ink liner to line my eyes. I'm drawing a half wing over here. Next, I'm taking Glam 21 white liner and applying it on my waterline. I've applied my falsies off the camera and now I'll be using Maybelline Hyper Curl Lash Mascara. Guys, please excuse my weird face expressions when I apply mascara. I don't know how I make it and I'm not conscious about it. I'll be setting my makeup with Glam 21 Makeup Fixer. Here I'll be using Glam 21 lip liner in the shade Burgundy to draw my lips. You can go for a nude lip for this eye look, but I would prefer for a darker lip shade. I'm using NYBay liquid lipsticks in the shade Hubble. This color is a fantastic color and I'm totally in love with this. I'm a big fan of darker lip shades and this color gives such a good pigmentation in just one swipe. I'm applying the color with the same lipstick wand that is given with the packaging. Later I'll be correcting everything with a lip brush. So here is the look. Guys, do tell me in the comment section below how you have liked this look and what kind of makeover you want to see from me. If you have liked this video, do give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates and tutorials like this. It's time for me to say goodbye. Stay safe and stay protected and see you until the next video.